This is a bird, in case you didn't notice. And, just ran into my window. This window. Right there. And, I kind of feel bad for the little birdie. Here's its friend who also ran into my window. They ran into it at the same time. This one died, like, right away. This one's still struggling. I'm not sure if it'll make it, but poor birdie. My gosh, I'm probably totally freaking out of this bird right now. Just feel so bad for it. Oh. It was funny though. Well, not now, but I was inside. Oh my gosh. Okay. I was inside just sitting there and boom. And they kind of, you know. Oh my gosh, the bird is moving. And I'm about to fall. I have a problem with falling. Can't keep the camera still, dang it. The bird's head is not upside down, it's just